Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel Asaa Creations. My name is Arshjan. So guys, I know that I'm making a video after a very long time, but guys, I'm very happy making this video. And guys, in this video we're gonna unbox the Saregama Carvaan, and this is the box of the Saregama Carvaan, and we are gonna unbox this. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, here is the box of the Saregama Carvaan. You can see here it's written Saregama Carvaan and Hindi 5000 evergreen songs inside, and it's the modes of the Saregama Carvaan: Bluetooth, USB, FM radio, and rechargeable battery. And at the left of the box we have the mode Saregama, that's USB and FM and Bluetooth. And at the right side of the box we have artists, moods, memes, sayani, Geetmala, and it also displays the content, one music player, one charger, one user manual, and one remote. And also displays the price, that is 5,990 rupees. So guys, at the back of the box we have just the singers, and it's the perfect gift for your loved ones. And this is a true line, this is the perfect gift for your loved ones. So guys, let's open the box. Okay. Let's carefully get it out of the box. Okay, the Carvaan is in the front. Let's keep the box aside. And here's the Carvaan. Let's open the lid. It's quite secured. And here's the Carvaan with its remote. Let's keep it aside and check other things. It's the user manual and it's the warranty card. It has 1 year warranty. Here's the charger adapter and the micro USB to USB cable. So guys, these are the accessories in the box. Now let's open the Carvaan. Okay, let's open it. So guys, here is the Carvaan, and the color of this is pure clean. And this is the remote of the Carvaan. As you can just see here, this is the remote of the Carvaan. And this is Carvaan. I think so it has battery inside it. Okay, let's on it. Okay, it has battery and it displays Saregama Carvaan loading. Okay, now let's see here. It has 4 modes: Saregama, USB, FM, and Bluetooth. At the right side of it is the volume button and the 3.5mm audio jack. And at the back of this we have firstly the micro USB port and the USB port. This port is to charge your Saregama Carvaan, and this is to provide USB mode. As you can just see here, USB. So let's on it and see how it works. So as we are here, Geetmala, and these are the artists. Firstly we have Mohammad Rafi, and at bottom of the singer's name it shows the name of the song. So this is the song. And you can change the artist by this rotator: Mukesh, Manade. There are many singers. Then we have moods. Okay, this is the artist mix. Romance. We have sad. We have happy. We have ghazal. We have Shakti. There are many moods. And then also we have Geetmala. Okay, Geetmala is from ear to ear. We can also change this from here.
अच्छा तो बहनों खैर साहब
Okay. Volume 4. The song changed from here. It's nice. It's good. Then now just on the Bluetooth. Okay, FM first. It's the FM. Okay. As we talk about the volume,
with more than
it has a great volume, and now just connect it with the Bluetooth device. So let me take a phone, and it just says Bluetooth mode waiting to pair. Let me connect it with the Bluetooth. Wait a second. Okay. It's taking some time to pair. Almost done. Okay, it's connected, and let's play a song to check whether it works or not. Okay. It works absolutely right. At the top of it, it is written Saregama Carvaan, and when it is charging, it displays a light over here. So this is the remote of this, and we can simply change, like if we can change to Saregama. You can see Saregama is written here. Let's play Saregama now. There you can see there. Now you can automatically change it to Bluetooth again, and it also changes its volume. And then let's go to the Saregama, and here I press the artist, and it displays the artist Lata Mangeshkar. Then next Kishore Kumar stations. Oh, it's too loud. Muhammad Rafi. Okay, let's switch it off and talk about it. So as we can see here, this is a quite good design, and it is a gift for your loved ones, and you can give to someone who likes old songs. And one major good thing of this is it has a very good battery backup, and it can run for about 24 hours continuously using. I used it one time, and it goes up to 24 hours on one single charge. You have to charge it for a long time, and then it goes a very long time. Okay, so I think so it is a very good thing to give, and it's a very good thing. I don't want to say anything else, and it is just a damn good thing. So it's a very good design also. So these are the things with it: Saregama remote, and other is the user manual, adapter, and the USB cable. Thanks guys for watching my video, and guys, don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new to this channel and not a subscriber of mine, then go and subscribe my channel right now. And guys, if you have watched the video till now, then please subscribe my channel. The red color subscribe button is below the video. And guys, this video is over. Meet in the next video. Till that, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.